right, so yes, now we are going through the same stuff in tutorial 3, and our focus is on section 1, naming. Every question that says name the following things, or they say draw the structural formula or whatever, or write the structural formula, we want those questions. Here, this one is saying name the following compounds according to the IUPAC system. All right, so, and then here we can see that they're giving us something with a double bond, which is an alkene, something with a triple bond, which is an alkyne, and something which is like this one has both of them, a triple bond and a double bond, okay? And here, a triple bond and a double bond together. So let's see what it is. Now we are to name. Let's start to name. This is very easy, okay? This is very easy. For some of these things, I'll provide you, again, links to the solutions where you can go and confirm for yourself and see. Here is a name. Here is this first thing. What is the name of this guy? Well, if you want to know the name of this guy, first identify the longest carbon chain which has both of the carbons that make the double bond. So the double bond is made by the carbon here and there. We need to have the longest carbon chain which includes these two. We can start here and say 1, 2, 3. Then we can go 4 and 5. We can still do that. So these makes, we have 5 carbons, so we can say we have pentene, okay, because this is an alkene. Now, what is the location of this? You look at what is the lowest number, which it has 2 carbons, right? We've got carbon number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5, right? Remember, we like to number from the side that makes our double bond have the lowest number. So number 2 is like this, because if I number like this, 1, 2, 3, then the first carbon is on position 3, which is wrong. Here the first carbon is on position 2, so I'll say it is pent 2 in, okay? It is pent 2 in. It is pentene because there are 5 carbons. The double bond is on position 2, so we say pent 2 in. Then we need to find the location of the substituent groups. What are the substituent groups? Here we have on position 3, we have an ethyl. So there is an ethyl on position 3. Then we have a methyl on position 2. So when we are naming, remember, we do alphabetical order. We do alphabetical order. So what is this going to be? It is going to be eth comes before meth, okay, E before M, right? So it is going to be 3 ethyl, okay, then dash 2 dash methyl. Remember, when you come from letters to numbers, you have to put a dash. Then it is methyl, and you put one word, pent 2 in. This is going to be it. 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, pent 2 in. This is the name of this guy, and you would be done. That's the name of the first guy, okay? It's 3 methyl, 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, pent 2 in, right? That is it. We go to the next one, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.